Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed my TikTok video. Okay, so basically in the last version, you can see that who viewed your latest TikTok video. Okay, basically it would show me the exact user and the exact time he saw and all that. But in the latest version, the TikTok don't show me that who viewed my video. But there is one more option for you can do that. Just click on the profile icon and just click over here three settings, and you have to go on creator tool, and basically it will show you here five options, that is analytics, critical creator portal, promote, Q&A and gifts and all that. And there's below that is ad setting, that is not any use for us. So basically you have to click on the first option, analytics, and it will take some time to open it up. You have to wait it, so just wait and see. It will here just show me that analytics, so it will show you that at least I need to post one video to see analytics. But basically this is my account, I have not posted any of the video. But if you're posting videos in the TikTok, you could see that here it will show you all the analytics. It will show you who viewed your video, how many likes you got, who saved your video, who favorite your video and all that, and more information you'll get, age and all that. So basically this is how you can use the analytics to see that who viewed my TikTok video. So I hope this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the latest video notifications. See you in the next video. Till that time, bye, take care.